Hello, welcome to another Zymic video support video. I'm going to help you to connect to your SQLBuddy, which is your database administrator. Now, what I usually do is I usually have it set up on my favorites because I would access it from time to time. And if I don't have it on my favorites, I usually go to my Zymic hosting control panel. That's where you can get it. And I usually right-click on Database Administrator and open a new tab. The reason is because I'm going to copy a few things, so this way I don't have to remember everything. Now, as you see, this is a login. You have to have a username, a password, and a database set up. We already have a previous video set up for you guys so you can see how to set up a database and have it all the privileges assigned to the user and the database so you can use it. Now, as you see, I have a privilege. I could revoke a privilege. I'm not going to. So I'm going to do it. So what I do is I highlight and then I just copy and paste. See, it's just that simple. You don't have to remember anything. Just remember the password. It's all you need to remember. And see, watch. Voila. SQLBuddy. Now this is the Zymic default theme. You can always change it to classic or bittersweet or to Zymic default. Now I'm talking with some of the people to try to get this a little better set up with the Zymic logo instead of the SQLBuddy logo for this one. Now, as you see, there's multiple things. I have a test. As you see, my thing is a little too big because I use this to test a lot of stuff. I use my testserver.zzl.org to test sites and everything. So I use one database to test everything. I'm going to have to clean this one up a bit. But if you want to ever import a database, actually go to query. Don't use import. Import takes a long while. It just fails from time to time. Just so you know, if you're ever going to import, make sure it's under 2 megabytes or just at 2 megabytes because it can't go any higher than 2 megabytes or it will fail. Now you can always just upload or just copy and paste right here and then you'll be fine. Now to export, just select all your tables and then you want to export it to a browser. You can't export to a text file. And as you see, it's create. There's some errors on it. It happens. I usually use, if my software I'm running on my hosting account has an export wizard on it for my databases, I usually use that and it works just fine. Now, as you see, it's all right here. That's it. That's how you log into SQLBuddy. That's how you use it. It's there just for advanced users. If you ever want to change anything, like let's say I want to change IP blocks, just click on it. That's it. See? That's it. It's all done. Or if I want to change job or file archive, I could change it all right there. Now if you need any more help, I'm always on the Zymic IRC, which is livechat.zymic.com/hosting, or if you have an IRC client, it is irc.zymic.com, and the channel is hosting. Now I am always there. You can always visit my site, vszzl.tk or vszxq.tk. Till then.